Hey there, folks. Welcome back to another episode of Payphone Confessions. I'm your host, Upchuck. Payphones, left abandoned, virtually useless all across America. Well, instead of investing in a decent healthcare system for therapy, these payphones are now used for all you sicko psychos to leave little messages telling us how you feel. It's Payphone Confessions. Let's take a listen.
One time I went to a park and with my mom, and she left me on accident and took a different child and put the child in the back seat and got stopped at the Dairy Queen and got the child an ice cream cone, and then got home, and then she realized that isn't not the coat that I bought, and I was just at the park still on the swing. I love swing. Okay, thank you.
Hello. I'm not sure exactly how this works, but I would just like to tell you a little bit about myself. I would say that I had myself what some would call an adventurous young age, where throughout my 20s and early 30s, into my early 40s, and then sometimes in my 50s, I got what some would say crazy. And I like myself a drink. There's nothing wrong with that. I fancy myself a connoisseur of liqueur. And I like old-fashioned. Some would say I am old-fashioned. But I would go to these bars and they would have this lovely wood. I mean, this dark mahogany that is just to die for. And I would say to the barkeep, do you have hot pretzels? Because I could go for myself a bowl of your hottest pretzels. And they would bring me out these troves, these treasure troves of hot pretzels. And they sometimes, I'll be honest, they would burn. I'm not gonna lie. But did I not enjoy it? Of course I did. Anyway, someone's coming, so I have to.
Hi, my name is Elmo, and I hit somebody. I hit somebody with my car, and then I drove away. Whew, I feel better. Get off my chest. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, great stuff. Well, that's all we have for you this week. I'm your host, Upchuck. Thanks for listening to Payphone Confessions. See you next time, everybody.